What the hell? Ah! What the hell am I doing? Why would I do this all? What? Oh, shoot, I'm gonna be late for school. Gotta go. Sorry, I'm late. Ow! Why the hell would you do that?
You're late again. Go sit in your seat.
Yes, teacher. Why am I such an idiot? Oh man, I'm hungry. I guess I'll go get lunch. What the hell are you doing?
It's not lunchtime yet, Gray. We have to wait till 11:30.
Ah! That's it!
Oh! Why would you do that?
Oops, I'm sorry, Wenda. I did not mean it. I gotta go.
Ooh.